With the new system, third-party administrators will be able to upload wages for multiple employers for multiple quarters at the same time. In this video, we will review how TPAs can bulk upload multiple quarters for multiple employers at the same time. As a reminder, all data in this video is fake and was created for the purpose of this demonstration. We are currently logged in as a TPA. When a TPA wants to bulk upload wages, they must access their own account. From the list of employers that this particular TPA has access to, we will click the Pay Managers hyperlink so the TPA can access their own account. When we do so, we are brought to a summary of the TPA account. If this particular TPA also filed wages in Massachusetts, additional information would display. Today, we want to bulk upload wages, so on the Third-Party Services panel, we will click the Bulk Wage Detail File Upload hyperlink. When we click this hyperlink, we're navigated to a request, and the first step explains the information we will need in order to bulk file. It's important to note that the file that is uploaded must be saved as the TPA ID _ the submission date. We have a file that's ready to go and saved this way, so we will click the Next button. In the next step, we must select the file type that we will be uploading. 3 different file types are available. The first, EFW2 file type, allows W2 forms to be reported electronically. The second, Incoming Wage ICESA file type, is the standard format for reporting unemployment contributions. And then today, we will select the standard Massachusetts CSV option. When we select this option, a View File Format Specifications button is displayed. We will click this now. A new window is displayed with another button that gives us the option to export the CSV specs as a template. This is helpful for TPAs that do not already have this information set up in an existing template. We are all set though, so we do not need to click this button today. Below the button, information about what needs to be entered into each column of the CSV file is displayed. For example, in column A or 1, the employer account number must be specified. Again, TPAs will now be able to enter multiple different employer account numbers in the same file. In column C or 3, the reporting period must be specified. TPAs will also be able to enter multiple reporting periods in the same file. We're all set today, so we will click the OK button. Now that we've reviewed the file format specifications, we need to go ahead and attach our file. To do so, we will click the Add Attachment hyperlink. When we do so, the Select a File to Attach window is displayed, and there is a required field where we must enter in a description. I will do this now. After entering the description, we must click the Choose File button in order to browse files saved to our device and upload the appropriate CSV. We will locate that file now. And as a reminder, the file should be saved with the TPA ID _ the date of submission. Everything is good to go, so we'll click the OK button. Our final step after adding the appropriate attachment is to click the Submit button. We'll go ahead and do this now. When the nightly processes run, the system will check the CSV file for any errors. Any quarters without an error will post. Any quarters with an error will not post. For example, if we filed quarter 1 of 2023 for employer 1 with an error and quarter 1 of 2023 for employer 2 without an error, employer 2's wages would post. For the wages with an error, TPAs will receive a web notice that will let them know any of the quarters that errored out. To resolve the issue, TPAs will just need to resubmit the errored out quarter. Again, anything without an error will still post. This concludes the video on bulk uploading multiple quarters for multiple employers as a TPA.